Hey, it's Yolanda at DryerBuzz, y'all. I hear you are still afraid to use social media. I hear you don't want to turn that camera on. You don't want to get in front of the camera. You don't want to talk about your products. You still listen. Do y'all know? I don't even know where the book is. I wrote a book almost a decade ago, called 27 Answers to Create Buzz. It talks about using social media for business. This is neither here nor there. I am participating in a challenge that we have in a wonderful group that I started. Oh my God, I forget about this all the time, y'all. On Clubhouse, and it's called Feed Your Dreams. And we are participating in a challenge where everybody had to do a video. Now, I always think that I can talk and talk and talk. But then I was like, okay, what's something else I can say? Let me talk about the fact that y'all are still afraid to get on social media to do business. And you're still overthinking it. You're still thinking you got to have a strategy and all. You do. But the one thing I rarely hear people say is, I am going to get on social media to listen. Okay? I want to get on social media and hear what people have to say. I want to get on social media and nurture and love on the customers, or, not just come on every day and say, hey, I got a product. You want to come on and people go like, hey, wait, what's that over there? Oh, that's soap. And I just finished, this is a mess because I just finished making soap and I just finished posting about that. But what I did was I posted it to get some feedback. I posted it to listen to what people say about it. And I asked questions. If you're trying to think about a strategy that you should have on social media, be that company, that business, that brand that's going to listen. Brands who listen rarely have backlash. They rarely get pushback. They are always at the right price point. Their campaigns take off and soar. They never have to double back. They don't have to get on here and say a thing is not a thing and we meant this. And no, just get on there and listen. You can literally, and I challenge you, just go live. Go live and just wait, okay? Don't think you got to have, everything all scripted out and what you're going to say and what you're going to do. Go on there and just literally tune in, okay, to the people that are going to pop on, the people that are going to say hello, the people that are going to jump on and say, hey, I've been waiting for you. Somebody is waiting for you to come out there. And listen, you don't want to go live? You know what I'm doing right now? I recorded this, and I'm probably going to do a couple of edits on it, or I may just push it out there raw. But I'm going to listen for the feedback. I get on here every day, and I listen. People say, what is your strategy? I listen. I listen for what people need and answers and solutions that people need. And then I try and connect those people. I try to create them in the voids. It's easy to find a niche if you're trying to fill in a gap. And that's what I have done successfully for 20 years. I'm retired from social media, okay? I literally had a whole entire lifestyle, life, raised kids, all of that. All my entire life has been on social media and on the internet and so forth. Household name and all of that. And changing it up and pivoting, who didn't have to pivot in the pandemic, right? But you know how to successfully do all of that? You got to listen. You've got to listen. If you've already got somebody that's clicked that follow button, they want to be heard. They want to be seen. They want to follow you, but they also want to know that you see them, that you hear them, that you're going to deliver what you said to them, that you're going to continue to come out here on social media and say and do what you say and say what you do. Explain to the world, right? But first thing you need to do, just listen. I'm listening. Hit me up at DryerBuzz. And listen, I'm doing this video because we're getting ready to launch an amazing summit on a platform where all you have to do is listen. It's called Feed Your Dreams. Feed Your Dreams Summit, September the 27th to October the 2nd. Just drop in. It's going to be each morning. We hang out about 2 hours and feed our dreams. Wonderful menu of mentors. I'm going to get you all that information. Just go to DryerBuzz.club. Have a great day, y'all. Don't forget, I'm doing what? I'm listening.